Hi beekeepers, this is Jenna from Mann, and I'm here today to talk to you about our assembled frames and why Mann frames are the best on the market. Our production team works hard every single day to produce frames that are going to withstand years of use in your beehives, and that's why they're the preferred choice of commercial beekeepers. So let's talk about the differences between our frames and some of the competition and what makes our frames the best. So here we have a Mann frame, and one thing that I really want to point out is the thickness of the top bar. So a common misconception is that it's the components of the frame that make them strong. Really, it's the assembly process and the joints and how they're put together that make the frame strong. So you'll notice that some of the competitors have a thicker top bar. Through years of development, we've been able to produce a frame that still has the side staple for added strength, but it doesn't need that thicker top bar in order to have the side staple hold. So you don't have that extra wood on the top. You're able to get that extra layer of cells, whether it's honey or brood, on your frames. Now, another thing that makes our frames really strong is the glue. So it's imperative that any assembled frame also be glued in order to be as strong as possible. So when you're looking at a Mann frame, we've got glue on both the top and the bottom joints, and I cannot pull these apart. Now, one of our competitor frame samples that we ordered unfortunately came without glue, and as you'll see, it comes apart quite easily. I can pull it right apart. So that's the big difference when you're looking at the Mann frames, is our process ensures that we've got the glue and the staple to make them strong and to where they can withstand the rigors of beekeeping. One thing that we also do with our frames is what we like to call a pull test. So we'll take our frames and basically we have a machine that measures the strength of the joint of the frame. And what you'll see from the results is that our frames are consistently measuring high numbers and strength, and it just helps us to ensure quality of our frames. Another reason that Mann frames are far superior to the competition is the inclusion of our Ritecell Foundation. So our Ritecell Foundation is an injection molded plastic. So it's quite a bit thicker than any of the competition. There's a visual difference. You can see it on a side-by-side comparison. And when you're looking at the cells, our cells are a bit deeper and the cell edges are sharper. So you'll get faster acceptance from your bees, and your bees are going to draw your foundation out quicker. So being that our Ritecell Foundation is quite a bit stronger, you're going to experience less blowouts when you're running it through your extractor, when you're using those high RPMs. And also, these frames are just going to last for years in your brood chamber. So to wrap it up, Mann frames are by far the best frames on the market. The quality control that we run, the assembly process, and the use of our Ritecell Foundation ensures that they're going to last for years in your hive. Certainly, if you have more questions, you can go on our website or reach out to our customer service team. They'd be happy to answer any questions that you'd have. Like and subscribe for more beekeeping content.